Wall Street is seeing red across the board on this Tuesday morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 are all off by minus 0.8%. Now, U.S. markets are tracking global bourses lower today, and this global sell-off comes on the heels of the latest concerns regarding global central banks. Now, of course, the timing of the Fed tapering from its bond buying program does hang in the background, but overnight the Bank of Japan concluded its two-day policy meeting and it held its policy steady. Now, there is some disappointment in regards to the Bank of Japan's decision. And it is light on U.S. economic data today, but we are seeing some double-digit percentage action in terms of some corporations. Dole shares are rallying by 20%, and this does come on the heels of Dole's company chairman as well as CEO offering to buy the rest of the company. Meanwhile, Lululemon Athletica shares have tumbled by 15% at the open. The yoga-inspired retailer announced after the closing bell on Monday that its CEO, Christine Day, would be stepping down. This does come on the heels of its chief product officer leaving in April regarding its sureness of yoga pants. Meanwhile, SoftBank shares are up by 2%. This does come as the company upped its offer for Sprint Nextel by 7.5% to $21.6 billion. Over in the foreign exchange market, the U.S. currency is seeing lower trading against the majors. The U.S. currency has turned lower against the euro and pound, and the dollar yen is down by 2%, clinging to that 97 level.